Biologist Robert Dudley at the University of California, Berkeley, developed what he calls the drunken monkey hypothesis. The idea is provocative, but the evidence behind it is serious. Dudley argues that our primate ancestors were drawn to the scent of fermenting fruit, not by accident, but by design. Ripe and overripe fruit contains the highest concentration of sugar and calories. The faint smell of ethanol in the air acted as a long-range signal. It meant food was ready. It meant calories were nearby. Primates that could detect that scent and were motivated to follow it had a survival advantage over those that couldn't. Your attraction to alcohol, in other words, may have been selected for, not because ethanol itself was valuable, but because ethanol meant sugar was close. And then something changed. Around 10,000 years ago, in the region we now call the Fertile Crescent, spanning parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Turkey, and Iran, humans began doing something they had never done before at scale. They started farming. They planted seeds intentionally. They harvested grain. And grain, when it gets wet and begins to germinate, produces enzymes that convert its starches into sugar. Leave that wet grain sitting long enough in a warm container, and wild yeast will find it. And yeast plus sugar produces one thing: